Hi there. My name is Brian Bishop. I'm a sales engineer with Sitecore. I'd like to take a few minutes of your time today to share with you just how easy it is to integrate Sitecore Content Hub with other technology platforms. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate with Twitter, but as you may know, Sitecore Content Hub's REST API makes it incredibly easy to integrate with anything from Salesforce, sales and marketing clouds, to Azure transcription and video transcription services, translation services, cognitive services, Twilio for SMS. Just a few examples of many that are possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into Content Hub. We're going to click a button and publish a tweet. We'll take some textual content, a digital asset, an image in this case, and I'll be using Microsoft Power Automate. And I've linked in the description of this video my GitHub repo, where you can download the script I'm using in the video and upload it into your own environment, and away you go. When you put Sitecore Content Hub at the center of your omni-channel publishing strategy, you make it incredibly easy and efficient to share content to a very complex and fractured media universe. So in this example, I'm using an integration platform as a service called Microsoft Power Automate. There are others out there in the market. You can write code. But what you can do with this is empower your marketers to publish to multiple downstream channels in a single motion, and you don't have to write a lick of code to do it. So without further delay, let's jump into Content Hub and tweet out a promo. So here's Sitecore Content Hub. We're just going to navigate to the search screen where I can see a ton of content that's in flight at the moment. Here's a quick example. This is my Spectra promo. You can see here a number of other things. You've got basically a headline, a short, snappy body, a link to drive traffic back to, and associated digital assets, in this case, an image. You can also see I've got a workflow associated with this. And this is under review, and the current user can approve it and send it or reject it. And just know that the action that I'm going to show you can be configured to happen when somebody clicks the approve and send button, or if we go to a handy administrative screen that I've configured, I've got a button here that lets me do it directly. And when I click this button, or when the workflow is moved to approved, what we're doing is we're simply running a quick API call, and this is publishing out to Azure Logic Apps. And we're just posting some content to Azure Logic Apps. From there, Microsoft Power Automate will handle the rest. So let's go ahead and tweet this promo, and click the button, and that'll kick off the process. If we navigate to Power Automate, you should see a new run developing, and just takes a second or two. There we are, it's running, it's in progress, and you can see how we're doing this in flight. Each of the green arrows indicates that something is completed successfully, and I'm simply using authenticated HTTP calls to get data from Content Hub, and I'm publishing to Twitter. And here you can see that the tweet was published. If we navigate to my followerless Twitter account, and I would see a very ancient tweet there at the top of the feed. Now you can see there's my 24-second old tweet, and I published this with a combination of Sitecore Content Hub and Microsoft Power Automate. I think you can see how easy it is to publish content to other technology platforms. If you want to, try it for yourself. Download the package at my GitHub repo. And please, thank you for viewing this video, and tune in next time when we will publish a promo to a list of subscribers who want to get content via SMS.